All right, this is a quick video on how to change the key fob battery or replace it in a BMW 5 Series. This is for some more newer models here. It's going to be the 5 Series, and this is for years 2017 to present. So if you don't have the display key, this is what you need to do. So here's how you do it. First thing you want to do is look on the side here to press the valet key. Remove this. Set that aside, and you'll notice on the back here there's a small indentation where you can place like a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a small indentation there, and if you just kind of wiggle your way in there, you'll be able to pop this back right off and get access into the battery that you need to replace. So the battery here is a CR2032, and to replace this, just pop this out. There's kind of some, kind of pops out here. There's some base here to attach the battery and some attachments up here. So grab a new CR2032, pop that back in, and this is a 3-volt, and just make sure the positive side is facing up here, which is where the etching is on the battery. And go ahead and pop this backing back on, and make sure there's kind of these two edges down here on the curvy side. Put those in first. It makes getting the rest of the back popped in a lot easier. And then replace the valet key, and boom, you're all set. So that's how you replace the battery on BMW the 5 Series. So that'd be like, 520i, 530e, 530i, etc. from 2007 to present.